Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream of chicken soup. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of cooked chicken and fresh vegetables. Next, we will prepare the base by sautéing aromatics and creating a smooth roux. Finally, combine everything with broth and cream, simmering until perfectly thickened and ready to enjoy. This easy method ensures a delicious, comforting meal. To begin, you will need 2 cups of cooked chicken, shredded or diced. Also, prepare 1/2 cup each of finely diced celery and carrots. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of chicken broth on hand. Don't forget 1/2 cup of heavy cream for that rich, velvety finish. A little butter and flour will also be essential for thickening. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced celery and carrots, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for 1 minute to create a roux. Gradually whisk in the 4 cups of chicken broth until the mixture is smooth and begins to thicken. Once the broth has thickened, stir in your cooked chicken and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like parsley or thyme. Serve your warm, comforting cream of chicken soup immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.